Hey there, business leaders and entrepreneurs. Let's talk about the future of small businesses. And spoiler alert, it's powered by AI. From automating routine tasks to protecting your customer data, AI isn't just for big tech anymore, and it's becoming essential for small businesses to stay competitive, save time, and scale smarter. But here's the catch. Without the right knowledge, you could be leaving your business vulnerable to cyber threats or even legal risk. That's why Zenovia AI Solutions is teaming up with Tweneboah Koduah Legal for a powerful free workshop. Smarter, safer workflows, AI plus cybersecurity essentials for teams. Happening Saturday, June 21st, 2025 from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. CST on Google Meet. You'll learn how to use tools like ChatGPT and Canva AI, protect your data, and get legal insights tailored for small businesses. Register now for free at Zenovia Solutions. And while you're there, check out our growing list of free AI resources to help future-proof your business. Let's build smarter. Let's build safer. See you there.